Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platforms, which is AnyDesk and GoTo Resolve. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, AnyDesk in 2025 remain a fast, lightweight, and affordable remote desktop tools ideal for quick support and everyday access. It's easy to install, works well even with a slow internet, and supports all major platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile. A solid pick for freelancers and a small IT teams that want a reliable performance without overpaying for features that they don't need. On the other hand, GoTo Resolve is a full service IT support platform. It combines remote access with help desk, ticketing, automation, device management, and zero trust security. It's designed for larger teams or business that need all-in-one solution to manage remote support and internal tech workflow. However, it comes at a higher cost and has a steeper learning curve than AnyDesk. So in conclusion, go with AnyDesk if you need a fast, simple, and a low-cost remote asset. On the other hand, choose GoTo Resolve if you are running a full IT support operation and need an extra tools like ticketing, automation, and advanced device control. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and how you think they can help you. Thanks.